how you got started in welding?
I decided to learn a new trade. I decided to learn how to weld. And I came here and I wasn't very good, and I'm kind of old, as y'all might guess. But Mr. Parker took me under his wing and decided to show me some stuff. I wasn't very good at first. There's been 100 times I've decided to quit. I didn't. And I'm glad I didn't, because now I'm 6 months away from graduating and being able to go out into the world and get a job welding. It's welding, everybody knows you take two pieces of metal, you join them together. You're dealing with molecules, you're dealing with heat, and you're dealing with wire. And what I'm going to do here, Jeff's already put these two pieces together, put a perfect weld on this side, so I'm going to put a not so perfect one on this side over here. This right here is your welding machine. This right here is your welding gun. This one's real simple. All you got to do is pull this little trigger right here. The wire comes out here. You got the gas here, and your power source here. Y'all,
Tell them what this machine will do. In other classes, Parker told me it was TIG, MIG, do any kind of welding that you
oh yeah. That's all right here. You set this up. Right now it's set up for MIG, which is metal inert gas. This is your gas, and the metal is those two pieces and this wire right here. This is a copper coated wire, and that's what comes out right here. It helps fill in the gap between these other two pieces. You can do TIG welding, which is what I do over yonder, what I'm trying to learn over there. You can do stick welding. Just any kind of welding that you need to do, all you got to do is set this dial, set your wire speed up for MIG, which is what we're doing here. Set your wire speed up and your gas. And we try to keep the gas use down because of expense, all that kind of stuff. If you're out in the field, you've got the wind blowing, you've got to turn the gas up, because the gas shields this wire, which connects these two pieces of metal. Okay?
Tell them how you know what's setting the heat on.
Because you talking.
Explain to the student why you use different settings, like amps, to thicknesses of metal. I mean, well, why do you need to do that?
Well, that goes back to the molecules and all of that kind of stuff. When you're trying to join the metal, what you're going to try to do is make this piece of metal, the wire, and this piece of metal and this piece of metal all joined together. That goes along with the molecules that I mentioned a while ago. You've got to join all three of those so that they are one unit. You're taking the metal from this piece of metal down here, and that wire, and joining them together. If there's a small crack in some of the jobs that you're going to be doing, it can fail. That can bring a building down, that can bring a bridge down, that can cause a hole in a pipeline.
Or your car.
Or your car. Tear your car all to pieces. So that's why the heat is so important. With my heat, I couldn't figure out why everything was breaking. I had to turn my heat up. This is hot. It will scorch you. If you walk up here right now, he welded this 10 minutes ago. I can handle it because I got these gloves on. Here, catch.
But like Laura said, you got to know what you're welding with. You can't take this is carbon and steel wire. We do some carbon, some stainless, aluminum, thermocane. I mean,